Good afternoon, Bob Dalton coming to you from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Monday, the 18th of July, 2011. Overnight, we saw outside markets and international markets start to pull back, and that set the table for a pullback in the grains as well as an improvement, if you will, to the weather outlook for the Corn Belt going through the next week to 10 days. They are reducing the severity of this ridge and actually pushing it off a little further to the south and east than we were anticipating. So we've seen the bulls get spooked in the corn market specifically and go running for the sidelines from their long positions. The stronger dollar did not help the grains out today either, nor did $2 lower on crude oil. We also saw gold and silver go up and make, the gold went up and made new highs up above $1,600 an ounce. Silver's back up above $40. The Dow was down about 150 points at one time today. So we've got a lot of bearish sentiment out there in the markets today. Grains finished up. Corn down 8 in December at 677. Soybeans down 3/4 of a point, 1386 1/4. Beans looking strong in the face of lower corn and wheat today. Wheat down 5 1/4 off of its lows significantly. I believe 12.5 off of its lows at the close, but still down 5 1/4 on the day. 689.5. That's September wheat. Again, I said the dollar's higher. We're up 24.5 at 75.76.5 in the electronics right now, as well as crude oil down 123 at 96.01. So we'll see what happens here with the night trade. We did have a rather strong close, if you will, in the soybeans. They did finish up above some support they were testing there at 13.85. Corn at 6.77. We're going to be looking for resistance at that 6.85 price point and support down around 6.65. So those are numbers to keep an eye on for tonight. Over into the cattle market, they opened up this morning lower and really put some pressure on those feeders. Down 112.5 when it was all said and done. August feeders at 134.57.5. Fat cattle down 75 cents at 109.85. Lower cash trade last week. Rich Nelson in our research meeting today came out with some price objectives, both cash and futures for August feeders, or excuse me, August cattle. Make sure you tune in to our research meeting to capture those numbers, give you a better feel for where we believe this market's going to go. Hogs today down 50 cents when it was all said and done. 89.45 after a strong open due to Chinese demand speculation that they're going to still be there and buying hogs from us. But they did reverse that bullish sentiment out of the gates and end up pulling the hogs, down by the time we closed up. That's really it for today. Keep your eyes and ears open on the debt ceiling conversation. We need to have an answer, according to our government, by August 2nd. And they also have some of the credit rating agencies out there threatening to lower the U.S.'s credit rating if we can't get this debt ceiling situation taken care of. Also, keep an eye on Europe. That's providing the support to the dollar. The fact that the euro is falling apart due to bank stress tests coming back negative, and as well as bailout plans and whatnot being put together, or lack of them being put together for some other failing countries over in the EU. Thanks for tuning in today. My name again is Bob Dalton. If there's anything you need from us, feel free to give us a call, 800-262-7538. Thank you.